Hi, I'm Susan. I'm a program manager, agile coach, and an introvert. I wrote this article on including your team's introverts because I value collaboration and psychological safety. And what that means is we can't just say everyone is welcome. We need to intentionally build spaces into our team for the people who might be a little bit quieter. What's one really simple yet powerful way to do that? Share meeting agendas in advance. If you put us on the spot, we might not respond at all, or we might scramble and just come up with the first thing that's on the top of our heads, and we won't have time to really process and give a quality answer. Instead, if we can come prepared with a few ideas and feeling comfortable contributing to the meeting, the quality of our responses will go way up and we'll be a lot happier. Here's another small but very important shift. Stop equating silence with agreement. Just because someone didn't speak up in a meeting doesn't mean that they are aligned. Sometimes we need a little bit more time to process, or sometimes it might not feel safe to disagree out loud on the spot. Offer up asynchronous ways to share thoughts after the meeting, or follow up with that person and just say, hey, what landed with you? What didn't? Let's talk. And here's the one that is the most important of all. Do not equate loud leadership as the best kind of leadership. Introverts lead too. We just lead quietly in different ways through consistency and through deep thinking. Some of the best leaders I've worked with are people who don't speak first in meetings or who don't speak very much in meetings. But when they do, it's deep thought, it's powerful, it's persuasive, and it's meaningful. We need to give space for that. Introverts aren't just broken extroverts. We bring calm, thoughtfulness, and a steady presence, but only when there's space for us to show up fully. You can read my full article for more tips on building an inclusive space for your team, including the introverts. And if anything resonated with you, share it with a manager, a team lead, a coworker, or have a team discussion about how your space is feeling now and what it is that you can improve. Thanks for watching.